So guys, as you can see, now I am with no brows but full on makeup, but you can see the difference. There is something missing in my makeup, and that's the brows. Brows are like so important to make, and I have got a lot of questions from you guys that how do I make my brows look fuller, thicker, and also very natural. So I thought, why not come on a video like this and show you guys the step-by-step thing which I take, make my brows look natural. Now you'll see like live. This is my face. It still looks good, and yeah, it still looks good. But once I do the brows, you'll see the difference right now. Currently, for all my girls who are like budget friendly, you can use this. It's pretty dirty right now, so just don't judge me on that one. This is the VOV brow kit. Originally, you guys, I used to use this Wet n Wild brow kit, and that brow kit is like better than any other. It's like the best brow kit on the market I have seen, and like it's really cheap as well. It's like 500, and this obviously is like 200 to 300. So obviously, if you are tight on the budget, definitely go for this one. And if you can afford a 500 one, then definitely get it on Nykaa. I will put all the links to everything in the description, so for you to check that out. That one was unavailable on Nykaa, I guess 1 month back, so I got this VOV one from like the local store. But this also does the work, guys, and it is also very nice, and I'll show you guys now how to use this one. So in a brow kit, you will get the brush, and use that brush only. I'm telling you guys, it is meant for your brows. So use your normal brush as well, but yeah, use this one. Now then I'll just show you guys the shades. So typically you want to go for a black shade, a slightly this shade is like of not used a bit. This is you can say chocolate or ash brown shade. So what is the mistake I see everyone doing in their makeup, in their brows, is that they used the black one to fill their brows. That makes their brows look like really artificial, which you want to avoid. The black one we will use only for outlining and on the areas where there are, like, you can say, no hair. So you can say that this gap in here, so here I will fill it with black. Rest everything will be with the this light brown shade. So that's how you get the natural look. Is one thing, guys, people say that your brows should be symmetrical, right? But usually our brows are never symmetrical, right? You can see this is going like way ahead, and this is like going way down, and you need to avoid the music because it's Navratri and I can't help it. Anyways, the thing which I do is that I always go according to my shape, and that's what makes my brows look more natural and not go like major symmetrical. So if like this is like that, I won't draw it till here. I will go according to my lines. So that's what I feel makes your brows natural. Dip into this shade a little bit. So what I'll do is, so you guys, you need to just make a line here, stop it here, and drag down. So I'll just do it with the cam. See the line, what it did? It actually gave like a shape to my brows. Now next what you need to do is make a line from here and drag down. And go according to your shape, right? I just like to lift my eyebrows and just fill it. And then I made the line and I started filling it, so I couldn't tell you guys. See, I just fill this part out. You can see already it's looking much better. Now what you need to do for the head part is just don't take any product, and just, you know, whatever the product the line has, just drag it upwards. You can see how natural are they looking, and look at this one, look at this one. Wow, instantly changes. Now I'll take the next side. Again, doing the same process over here as well, making a line, I hope you can see it. You can see this one is like little less thick, but you need to go ahead with the black one now and just fill that up. And always go with the strokes of the hair. So like in this one, my hair are going like upwards, and here they are going straight and then down. So according to your shape, according to your hair, that will make it more natural. Now look, can you see guys how natural they're looking? And one more step which I actually forgot is that just if you have a brush like this one, just before doing the step, just brush it upwards like from both sides and then drag it down. What this will do is make your original hair shape like go really nice, and your brows will look more you can say thicker. So is this something, can you just guess if I have some product on my brows? They are looking like natural hairy. It looks fab, you guys. Look at that. It's like pretty natural and just takes 5 minutes. I think this video is not more than 5 minutes when I was doing the tutorial. So it's like just takes 5 minutes and makes a full like a lot of difference to your face. So I would highly recommend you guys do that. And if this tutorial helped you out and you want me to do more tutorials like this one, so let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, it hardly takes just 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, 2 minutes to like the video. Leave just a valuable comment if you like it or no, and just share it with someone if your friends are also willing to do their brows and they don't know how to do it. Please share this video with them, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial or in my next video. Bye guys.